Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, greetings, AliShanMao here. I have prepared my mini Talon once again. I was missing this plane. It's been hanging out on the wall for a long time. I prepared it with SNL, and basically the purpose is to have this as a chase plane, FPV chase plane. As I'm planning to do this crazy video of flying Rambler RS or Aggressor LR FPV wings and set them on RTH while they circle around, I will use this plane to chase them and make one pilot flying two FPV plane and doing FPV chasing. So for chasing you need something faster, something that can fly slower and faster as well, and this is the fastest plane that I have for FPV. Now Aggressor can take up to 120 kilometers an hour, and this basically can keep up with that. Rambler is designed for slow cruising, so that's not an issue. This can easily keep up with that. So let's test it and see how things go, and once the tests are done, then inshallah I will plan the FPV chase video. One pilot, two FPV plane chase video. Wish me luck. So let's get it ready and fly it. I really forgot this plane was fast, man. I hear whistles. I hear whistles. Like, whistle mounts are really working very well. Uh-oh, so much turbulence. I can see it, man. It's a lot of turbulence today. beautiful, mashallah. So far I found my cooling vents with 3 whistles, 3D printed ones. Check it out, it's right here. They're working really nice. At certain throttle, you will hear these 3 whistles just whistling in, you know, harmony. They're syncing together. It's beautiful sound actually. So the test flight is done, and this plane is mashallah behaving very well. The next step is to for the chase flight. This is all the preparation of the chase flight. 1 pilot, 2 FPV planes, chase flight. I need to have a chase plane. This is the plane I want to chase first. These 3 planes are gonna be in the 1 pilot, 2 planes FPV chase. This plane, because this is a slow plane, and I've flown it a number of times. The SNL mashallah is set up really well. It behaves absolutely very reliable. So this plane will be on circle, 200-meter radius circle. Or I'm also planning to use 2 different radios, like use Futaba here, which gives me about 2-kilometer range. I can set it up to go straight in altitude hold mode and chase this plane with my mini Talon and go straight. And once this goes out of Futaba's range, it will activate RTH, it will come back and start circling over my head, and that's where I will keep chasing it with this plane. So this is the basically plan, and same goes with aggressor. I'll perform the same thing. Now this is the plan, but before this plan to work, what I need to do is 1, test both planes once again, at least 2 more flights, to see their reliability in circle mode, set the right altitude. 130 is too close to these buildings when RTH, maybe 150, 160 meters, so they will circle once they come back safely over my head. So 1 reliability test of their circling and RTH. Once this is done, then obviously chase test with circling only, and then finally we will do the long 2-kilometer FPV chase. 1 pilot, 2 plane FPV chase. So stay tuned for this. There are a lot of steps to take for this video, definitely, and I'm very, very excited about it, and inshallah I'll make it happen. I've done it before in old times when I used to fly FPV, and this time we have better flight controllers, this time we have better gear, so inshallah this will be done very well. Stay tuned for that. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button. Right.